Janitor Ai, in an era defined by rapid technological progress and automation, the field of facility management stands poised for significant transformation. Traditional janitorial services, characterized by labor-intensive methods and occasional inefficiencies, often face challenges in maintaining consistently high cleanliness standards across diverse environments. However, the emergence of Janitor Ai represents a paradigm shift in this landscape. Combining robotics, artificial intelligence, and smart sensor technologies, Janitor Ai offers the promise of revolutionizing the approach to cleanliness and maintenance. These autonomous systems are capable of navigating complex environments, detecting cleanliness issues in real time, and efficiently addressing them with minimal human intervention. By leveraging advanced algorithms and sensors, Janitor Ai ensures a higher level of cleanliness, responsiveness, and efficiency compared to traditional methods. In essence, Janitor Ai represents a transformative solution that holds the potential to elevate cleanliness standards and redefine facility management practices across various environments. Number 5. Understanding Janitor Ai. Janitor Ai stands at the forefront of facility management innovation, embodying a fusion of cutting-edge technology and practical functionality. These autonomous robots are equipped with a sophisticated array of sensors, AI algorithms, and robotic capabilities, enabling them to detect, analyze, and promptly address cleanliness issues in real time. Unlike their traditional counterparts, Janitor Ai transcends mere mechanical tasks. It navigates complex environments with finesse, seamlessly interacts with humans, and adapts dynamically to evolving cleaning requirements. With advanced sensors at their disposal, these robots can swiftly identify and assess a variety of cleanliness challenges, ranging from spills to debris, with unparalleled precision and speed. Powered by AI algorithms, Janitor Ai makes intelligent decisions regarding the most efficient cleaning strategies, optimizing resource utilization while ensuring thorough cleanliness. This ability to analyze and respond to environmental cues in real time not only enhances cleaning effectiveness, but also contributes to significant time and cost savings for facility management operations. Furthermore, Janitor Ai's capacity to interact with humans adds a layer of versatility and adaptability, enabling seamless collaboration with human staff and efficient responses to specific cleaning needs or unexpected situations that may arise. In essence, Janitor Ai represents a paradigm shift in facility management practices, offering unparalleled efficiency, effectiveness, and convenience in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene standards across diverse environments. Its integration into facility management operations promises to revolutionize the way cleanliness is managed, elevating standards and optimizing processes to meet the evolving needs of modern environments. As such, Janitor Ai stands as a testament to the transformative potential of technology in enhancing the quality and efficiency of facility management practices. Number 4. Key features and capabilities. Janitor Ai represents a groundbreaking advancement in modern facility management, embodying a fusion of cutting-edge technology and practical utility. At its core, Janitor Ai is equipped with an impressive suite of sensors, including cameras, lidars, and ultrasonic sensors, providing it with an unparalleled level of environmental perception. This extensive sensory input is further enhanced by advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, empowering Janitor Ai to swiftly and accurately identify cleanliness issues such as spills or debris with exceptional precision. What truly distinguishes Janitor Ai is its remarkable autonomous navigation capabilities. These robots can effortlessly maneuver through complex and crowded spaces, dynamically adjusting their routes to efficiently reach cleaning targets while elegantly avoiding obstacles. This agility not only enhances cleaning efficiency, but also minimizes disruptions to ongoing activities within the facility. Moreover, Janitor Ai prioritizes seamless human interaction, ensuring its integration into various environments is smooth and non-disruptive. Whether working alongside human staff or independently, these robots leverage intuitive interfaces and natural language processing capabilities to facilitate effortless communication and collaboration. Additionally, Janitor Ai's intelligent integration with building systems enables real-time communication with other connected devices, such as HVAC systems or security systems. This seamless exchange of data allows Janitor Ai to respond promptly to environmental changes or emerging cleanliness issues, further enhancing its effectiveness and adaptability. In summary, Janitor Ai represents a transformative solution poised to revolutionize facility management practices. Its advanced features and capabilities, including unparalleled environmental perception, autonomous navigation, seamless human interaction, and intelligent integration with building systems, position it as an indispensable tool for ensuring unmatched efficiency, adaptability, and effectiveness in maintaining cleanliness standards across diverse environments. Number 3. Applications of Janitor Ai. Janitor Ai stands as a transformative force in modern facility management, showcasing remarkable versatility across a multitude of applications and environments. In bustling public spaces like airports, shopping malls, and train stations, Janitor Ai operates tirelessly, ensuring cleanliness and order with minimal human intervention required. These autonomous robots efficiently patrol the premises, swiftly addressing spills, debris, and other cleanliness issues, thereby upholding high standards of sanitation and enhancing overall visitor experience. Transitioning into office buildings, Janitor Ai seamlessly integrates into daily operations, handling an array of tasks from emptying trash bins to mopping floors with precision and efficiency. By autonomously managing routine cleaning tasks, Janitor Ai not only enhances cleanliness standards but also contributes to significant cost savings by reducing the need for manual labor. In healthcare facilities such as hospitals and clinics, Janitor Ai assumes a critical role in safeguarding hygiene standards and promoting patient well-being. Through regular sanitization of surfaces and prompt response to cleanliness concerns, these autonomous robots help mitigate the spread of infections and create safer environments for both patients and staff. Educational institutions also benefit greatly from the presence of Janitor Ai, as these robots diligently maintain cleanliness in classrooms, corridors, and common areas. By ensuring a tidy and organized environment conducive to learning, Janitor Ai contributes to a positive educational experience for students and faculty alike. Across public, commercial, and institutional settings, Janitor Ai's adaptability shines as it addresses the diverse and evolving challenges of facility management. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and intelligent automation, Janitor Ai emerges as a transformative solution that not only enhances cleanliness and efficiency, but also revolutionizes the way we approach maintenance practices in the modern world. Number 2. Benefits of Janitor Ai. The implementation of Janitor Ai marks a profound transformation in facility management practices, yielding a plethora of benefits that revolutionize traditional approaches. Firstly, its introduction brings about a significant enhancement in efficiency by optimizing cleaning processes and minimizing the time and resources required for maintenance tasks. This translates into tangible cost savings for businesses and organizations, as the labor costs associated with traditional janitorial services are substantially reduced. Furthermore, Janitor Ai's capacity to uphold high hygiene standards in real time contributes to the creation of a safer and healthier environment, mitigating the risk of infections and accidents. Beyond these operational advantages, the presence of Janitor Ai elevates the overall user experience by ensuring consistently clean and well-maintained spaces across various settings, be it public areas, office buildings, or healthcare facilities. Ultimately, Janitor Ai represents a paradigm shift in facility management, offering a synergistic combination of efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and elevated cleanliness standards that surpass what traditional methods can achieve. Its implementation heralds a new era in facility management, where cutting-edge technology seamlessly integrates with operational needs to deliver superior outcomes. Number 1. Challenges and considerations. The adoption of Janitor Ai indeed holds transformative potential for facility management, yet it comes with a set of challenges and considerations that cannot be overlooked. One significant hurdle is the substantial initial investment required for deploying these advanced systems. Acquiring robotics, sensors, and AI technology entails significant upfront costs, which may pose financial barriers for some organizations. Moreover, the ongoing maintenance and regular software updates necessary to keep Janitor Ai operating at peak performance add to the long-term operational expenses. These ongoing costs must be carefully budgeted for to ensure the sustainability of the implementation. Beyond financial considerations, ethical and social implications loom large in the widespread adoption of automation in janitorial services. Concerns about job displacement and the impact on human workers must be addressed proactively. While Janitor Ai offers opportunities to streamline processes and enhance efficiency, it also raises questions about the future of human employment in the janitorial sector. Organizations must consider strategies for retraining and reskilling affected workers to mitigate the potential negative impacts of automation on employment. Additionally, the integration of Janitor Ai necessitates careful consideration of broader societal implications. This includes ensuring that the deployment of automation technology is equitable and inclusive, benefiting all stakeholders involved. Transparency and communication are essential in addressing concerns and building trust among employees and the community. In navigating these challenges, organizations must approach the adoption of Janitor Ai with careful planning, investment, and consideration of the broader societal impacts. By proactively addressing these challenges, organizations can harness the transformative potential of Janitor Ai while ensuring that its integration is both sustainable and beneficial for all stakeholders involved. Conclusion. Janitor Ai stands as a groundbreaking innovation in facility management, poised to revolutionize cleanliness standards, efficiency, and user experiences across diverse environments. Despite the challenges and considerations surrounding its adoption, the potential benefits of integrating Janitor Ai into our daily lives are substantial. By leveraging advanced robotics, sensors, and AI technology, Janitor Ai promises to streamline cleaning processes, optimize resource utilization, and ensure real-time responsiveness to cleanliness issues. Moreover, its presence in public spaces, office buildings, healthcare facilities, and educational institutions offers the promise of consistently clean and well-maintained environments, enhancing the overall quality of life for occupants. As technology continues to evolve, Janitor Ai represents a significant step forward in how we approach cleanliness and maintenance in the 21st century, marking a transformative shift towards smarter and more efficient facility management practices. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more exciting content.